Okay, so first I want to go over the finger numbers on the hands. The thumb is always finger number 1. Then we have finger number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, we're going to be starting with our right hand. So again, the thumb is finger number 1, finger 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, we're going to start with finger number 1, our thumb, on a C. Now, if you're having trouble finding the C, look for 2 black notes next to each other. And the C is the white note directly to the left of those 2 black notes. Now also, just to make sure you have the right octave, note that the very last note on a standard piano keyboard, all the way at the top, is a C. So counting backwards from there, it's the 4th octave from the top. So it's the 4th C if you count downwards from the rightmost C. That's where we want to start. Okay, so we're going to start on that C with finger number 1, or the thumb, and then we're going to use finger number 3 to play an E. And then finger number 5 to play a G. Okay, so we have C, E, G, and with the finger numbers, finger 1, finger 3, and then finger 5. So it'll sound something like this. Okay, from there, we're going to reach a little further to the left and play a B with finger number 1. That's the white note directly to the left of the C. So we have C, E, G, B. Finger 1, 3, 5, 1. Again. And from there, we're going to use finger number 2 on the C, finger 3 on the D, and then back to finger 2 on the C. So we have 1, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 2. C, E, G, B, C, D, C. C, E, G, B, C, D, C. From the C here, we're going to reach with finger number 3 and go all the way up to an A. Okay, so we have C, E, G, B, C, D, C. Reach with finger 3 to the A, and then finger 2 on a G, and finger 5 on the higher C. Again, A, G, C. From the beginning, C, E, G, B, C, D, C. Reach, A, G, C. So we have 1, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 2. Reach, 3, 2, 5. And then with finger number 3, we're going to come back to the G. Okay, so we have C, E, G, B, C, D, C. Reach, A, G, C, G with finger number 3. And then we're going to use finger number 3 again on the F. And here we're going to have a trill where we're going to move back and forth between the F and the E here, like this, resolving on the E with finger 2. Okay, that you're going to want to practice a little bit, but it's going to sound like this. C, E, G, B, C, D, C. Reach, A, G, C, G with finger 3, F with finger 3, trill, ending on an E with finger 2. Okay, let me go through it now without saying anything. One more time, the right hand. Okay, now let's go to the left hand. The left hand is going to start on a C, 1 octave down from where the right hand began. Okay, so the right hand is on this C. The left hand starts 1 octave down on this C. Okay, so let's focus on the left hand now. So starting with finger 5, or the pinky, on the C, we're then going to play finger number 1, or the thumb, on the G. Okay, so we have C, G, and then an E with finger number 3, back to the G with finger number 1. Okay, so it's like this. C, G, E, G. And it's going to do that twice. C, G, E, G, C, G, E, G. With the finger numbers 5, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 3, 1. After the second time of C, G, E, G, we're going to take finger number 4 and play a D, followed by G, F, G. Again, D, G, F, G. So we have C, G, E, G, C, G, E, G, D, G, F, G, and then we're going to repeat again the first part, C, G, E, G. And with the finger numbers 5, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 2, 1, 5, 1, 3, 1. Okay, so after that, we're going to do C again with finger 5, then A with finger 1, a bit more of a reach. Right, so C, A, and then F with finger 2, A with finger 1 again. Okay, so once again, C, A, F, A. And with the finger numbers 5, 1, 2, 1. And then back to the first part again. C, G, E, G. Okay, so the whole left hand so far sounds like this. So now we're going to take finger number 5, or our pinky, on B, followed by a G again with finger number 1, and then a D with finger number 4, and then G again with finger number 1. So it's B, G, D, G, finger 5, 1, 4, 1. And from there, we're going to go back to the original part we started with, C, G, E, G. Okay, so let's go through the whole left hand now. Okay, now let's put both hands together. So we're going to start by playing both C's at once. Okay. Remember that the right hand we're using our thumb, or finger 1, and our left hand we're using our pinky, or finger 5. Okay, now we're going to be holding down that C with our thumb in the right hand while playing C, G, E, G with our left hand. So it sounds like this. Okay, now after this, when we go back to the C for the second time in the left hand, we're going to play an E with our right hand. So we have, then we play the G with the left hand, followed by the E together with the G in the right hand. So it sounds like this. Okay, so we have. And now remember, the left hand goes to a D with finger 4, and the right hand goes to a B with finger 1. Okay, so we have. And then the left hand plays the D while the right hand plays the B. And then the left hand continues with G, F. And when we play this G, the right hand is going to play C, D, and then end on the C when the left hand goes back to the C. So we have. Once again. Okay, now for the second half, remember that the right hand is going up to the A with finger 3, while the left hand plays a C. The right hand is going to hold that note, while the left hand plays C, A, F, A. Okay, so we have C, A, F, A. And then the right hand goes to a G with finger 2, while the left hand goes back to the C, and then G, E with the C in the right hand, back to the G in the left hand. So again, that whole part. One more time. And now remember, the left hand goes to a B, while the right hand plays that G with finger 3. Okay, so we have. G and B, and then G with the left hand. So we have. And then when the left hand plays the D, the right hand goes to an F with finger 3 again. And it's going to begin that trill. So we have. The left hand plays the G again. And then it's going to end on C, G, E, G again, while the right hand resolves on that E with finger 2. So we have. Again. And then release here, just like the first time earlier. There's a rest at the end. One more time. And rest. Okay, let's play the whole part now, nice and slow. Again. A little faster.